Hello and welcome to TP's Diary. This is part 5 and the final part of the induction modification I'm doing to my 1977 Jaguar XJC V12. This video is just reassembling all the parts and then starting the car at the end of it. So yeah, let's get into the video. Right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean off this just to make sure that it's nice and I'm going to get a nice clean nice seal. I'm just using a bit of car cleaner from there just to wipe any of the oil off. Just any of the oil residue is coming off there. There's still a bit of gasket on there. So, yeah. So, because I've enlarged everything, on this throttle body, I've actually had to make up my my own gasket, because the ones that come with it, the centre hole is a bit small. So, I mean, you know, I just basically took the gasket. You can see, so there's obviously a lip there. Because this throttle body is held on by these 4 bolts, and it doesn't have the 2 mounting bolts, the whole assembly of this is a bit... Okay, I've now discovered what I think. No, that's right. The whole assembly of this is going to be a little bit tricky. So, what I might also just quickly do is so I've just checked to make sure that it actually does open. That would have been boring. We get the whole thing all assembled and then discover it doesn't open. I have actually ordered some new bushers for this because I think they're a bit loose. So yeah, this is all a bit tricky, but what I need to do is I need to get a piece of cardboard. I'm going to start putting a Highland bar on each side of these gaskets. I'm just going to give them a smear. I don't want to put too much on. Really, with this, you should just put them on dry, but I just quite like to put a bit of Highland bar on just to be safe and double sure that it's all going to go together nicely. So yeah, so I'll just get my cardboard and I'll start doing that. The return spring like that, and then I'm going to get my So right, handy. So doing all of that. The gasket just fell off. So it's a bit fiddly, but it can be done. Right. Okay. Right. Right, that seems to be it, so let's do those up. Right, I'm pretty happy with that. The assembly on this side is particularly tricky because it's got a whole lot of various pipes and things that connect into the back. I'm yet to discover what they're all for. Obviously I think there's an oil breather on there. These ones at the front, there must be some. I think they're all just sort of oil vents. I don't know exactly at this moment in time, but no doubt I will get to know it. But then it also has on this cooler, which has various other pipes running through it. Looks like something to do with air conditioning. I don't really know. So, but again, as I sort of learn more about this car, I will discover what those are as well. So, yeah. Right. So I've now finished that side of the installation, and it all looks. I'm pretty happy with it. It all looks pretty good. The new gasket seems to work really well, and I don't think, yeah, it couldn't have been any better than that. I can't show you, but I'm just feeling on the inside seal, and it's absolutely exactly the same size hole as the inlet manifold. So that air path now, there's no sharp edges, there's no restrictions. It's got a nice smooth path going into it, so I couldn't have optimized it any better without removing the inlet manifolds, which I could have removed those and modified those, but that's a much bigger job, and until I get the exhaust pipes done, I think this will be fine, and it's going to be interesting to see what happens. So I'm going to carry on now and put on the new K&N air filters. I want to put a bit of grease around them so they slip in and out nice and easily. And the outside of the air filter box, which I've got the 80mm enlarged pipe on. This side has the air temperature sensor on it, so I'm just going to go ahead and get all of that side, and then this side, the passenger side now will be complete, and then I'll go on and finish off the driver's side. So let's carry on. As every good installation or anything you want to do, I'll just put my Jaguar Sport sticker on. Yeah. Fantastic. And that's it for this side. So I'm now going to get set up and we'll do the other side. So here you are, here's the finished article. Here's the large throttle body. I've also gone ahead and I've actually done, replaced all the bushes with nylon bushes to take any play out of the linkage. Here's the modified air filter cover with the larger pipe. So that all fits in there very nicely. I've also, you can see here, got the temperature sensor. Again, that full fits in that nicely. In here I've got the K&N filters, and yeah,
So this is the near side, and I'll show you the driver's side now. And here's the driver's side, so the off side in the UK. So when I say the near side, it's the near side, if you don't already know, is the side nearest to the curb, and the off side is obviously the side away from the curb. So that's basically what that means. So anyway, there's the finished article, all done. Very happy with that indeed. So there you go. That's the end of part 5. I hope you liked that video. If you did, please hit that like button. It's been fun to make, and yeah, showing you the modifications. So quite exciting. The next project that's going to be happening is I'm going to be converting this car from a automatic to a manual, 5-speed manual. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I will see you in the next video.